Imagine this. A massive predator is quietly feeding on its latest kill. Then, a small human, barely over 5 feet tall, slowly steps out from behind a rock. No claws, no razor-sharp teeth, no thick armor, no incredible strength, just a small stone resting in one hand. The predator doesn't even bother looking up. Why would it? Compared to every dangerous animal on Earth, a human should have been the easiest target, but then, thud! The stone crashes into the predator's face. Startled, it lets out a furious roar. It looks around. But the human is already backing away, still too far to attack. The predator charges. Another stone flies through the air, then another, again and again. For the first time in millions of years, a deadly predator is being attacked without ever reaching its enemy. It sounds simple, almost insignificant, but that tiny moment would eventually change the history of life on Earth. So the question is, how did one small rock turn the weakest ape into the planet's most dangerous species? For hundreds of millions of years, nature followed one simple rule. If you wanted to kill something, you had to get close enough to risk your own life. A lion has to sink its teeth into its prey. A tiger has to leap with perfect timing. A wolf has to chase until it can bite. A bear has to stand within arm's reach before swinging its claws. Every predator, no matter how fast, no matter how powerful, had to enter the danger zone first. And that made every hunt incredibly risky. One mistake, one kick from a horse, one stab from antlers, one swing of a horn could seriously injure or even kill the hunter itself. But then humans broke that rule, and once they did, nature would never be the same again. Most people think humans became powerful because of fire or language or intelligence. Those were important. But before all of that, humans developed something almost no other animal could master: accurate throwing. Not just throwing with incredible speed, long distance, and deadly precision. Our shoulders work almost like a biological slingshot. Our flexible waist stores rotational energy. Our wrists snap forward at the perfect moment. Our thumbs keep every throw under control. And our brains do something amazing. Without even thinking, they calculate distance, speed, angle, and predict exactly where a moving target will be. Every accurate throw is actually thousands of tiny calculations happening inside your brain in a fraction of a second. Now you might wonder, if throwing is so useful, why don't chimpanzees do the same? Interestingly, chimpanzees can throw objects. Some monkeys can too, but their throws are usually slower, less accurate, and much weaker than ours. Their shoulder structure is designed mainly for climbing. Human shoulders evolved for speed and rotation. Our wrists are more flexible. Our hands offer finer control, and our entire body works together to generate power. In other words, evolution quietly turned humans into the world's greatest natural throwers. This completely changed hunting. For the first time, humans could injure dangerous animals, and before those animals could even reach them. Instead of wrestling with a massive predator, groups of humans could surround it from a safe distance, keeping pressure on it with stones until it became exhausted or retreated. Distance itself became a weapon, and once humans realized that, everything changed. The rock became sharper, then came the spear, then spear throwers that launched weapons even farther, then bows, then arrows, then crossbows, then missiles, and then a tiny metal which we throw now in other planets. Each inventions followed the exact same idea: hit first, from farther away. That single ability didn't just help humans hunt, it helped them survive. More successful hunts meant more food. More food supported larger communities. Larger communities created better tools. Better tools led to farming, cities, kingdoms, science, and eventually, the modern world.